like a pro, like a pro. Yeah, I'm trading like a pro, like a pro, like a pro. Making profit like a pro,
like a pro. Time to let them know. Bank on the phone, no, I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a pro.
We getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid, huh? Stacking that money from the trades, huh?
We getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid, stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade like a pro.
Hey, what's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, representing Team Take Profits. And look, I wanted to make this video real quick. It's been a minute since I sent out a trade setup real quick, but I think that this is a perfect opportunity. And I got to show some love to my YouTube family, you feel me? So I don't want you to miss this, so we're going to jump right into it. All right. Also, this week, we're going to be dropping some more content. I know you guys been liking the mindset videos that I've been dropping, but this is going to be more of a let's make this money type video right now. And I'll send out the mindset video later this week. All right, so check this out. So we're at the end of the year. Keep in mind, we're at the end of the year. So the market is ranging. And that's what you have here. The market is ranging. Okay, and different levels of the range, about right here, up here at the highest piece. Okay, so the market is ranging, and it makes sense. It's perfectly fine. But that does not mean that we can't make money in this ranging market. We just have to be very selective, very disciplined, and know exactly what we're waiting for and when to execute. So today we see some divergence setting up inside of this range. Plus you keep seeing price going a little bit higher, a higher low, right? And we potentially got one here. All right, so price keeps coming down to this demand zone. It's a demand zone because there is no consolidation sitting right here at this area, like how you see consolidation here, right? It literally just came down, based. So this is a drop base rally. Then it came back down to this demand zone again to pick up more orders and shot up again. So now here we go, right back down to that same demand zone. And this is a third time. That every time it keeps coming, I want you to understand this. Every time it keep hitting this demand zone, it gets weaker and weaker. All right, so this will be the third time price comes in this demand zone. So that being said, when I show you this divergence, I want you to be very patient. Sometimes when I show you divergence, it's like, okay, let's just jump on it. Let's just get in. This time, because you see this on the daily chart, that's why I want people to go to the daily chart and not just be on the lower time frames. I want you to see the bigger picture. That this price came down to this demand zone 3 times now. It may break through. It may break through. So we need to be very patient when I show you what's going on the 4-hour. Keep that in mind. So let's go to the 4-hour. We don't need all this other stuff here. Let's just get right to it. Price has been basically been dropping underneath this 50 moving average. So that's basically putting us in the seller's market. Okay. So now price is made a lower low. Can you see that? This is a lower low now. It's barely a lower low. And we like to see this for divergence. We like to see price slowing down. We like to see some type of doji candle forming. Okay, so it's not over yet, but it looks good so far. Now, let me just put a line there so you can see. See how that's going that way? But on the RSI, we going that way. Now, it's not over yet. That's why I want you to be patient. So that's the 4-hour. So we're starting to see signs of it on the 4-hour. Let's go to the hour chart. And now it's starting to become even clearer now. Okay. Now we actually got some price looking like it's holding on this hour chart now. Okay. So now this is where I want you to be very patient because it's still in the seller's market. It can eat if you jump the gun and try to beat the market to the beat the market to where it's going. then it could trick you, fake you out, and drop lower. Like, you know what I mean? The market can do that. So we need to let the market show its hand, is what I'm trying to say. So go ahead and put that trend line up. Now this time, you could put it up here, but don't put it on the bodies this time. I want to be really, really sure that this is going to break the trend line. So let's put the trend line up here, because the reason why I want to put it up here is because this is the origin. This piece right here is the origin. Boom. This is the origin of where this all started. And then it pulled back and made an even bottom and then a lower low. But I want us to acknowledge that this big move dropped from up here. Okay. You could try to put it from right here to here. You know, you could do that. So I want to show you both ways, because I want you to be comfortable, you know, doing what you like to do. All right, because this is trading. So at the end of the day, you have to do what you're comfortable with. So either one, go ahead and do that. But if you know, it's a little tighter that way, or you can put it right here. So do what you're comfortable with. But either way, I feel like that trend line is going to be good. This one is a little bit more conservative when you do it this way. This is okay to do. I'm just letting you know it's okay. And also when you find divergence and put that trend line at the top, these are some of the most powerful wedges. And this will be more like a falling wedge. These are some of the most powerful wedge patterns you can find. Like when you find them in divergence, and then you can connect the trend line at the top, and now you have a whole wedge here. So this is falling. These are some of the most powerful. All right. And then also one last thing, because I got to let you go so you can actually have time to catch this trade. If it breaks the top, then that means it will already be on top of the 50 now at that point. And you could probably catch a retest if you want to, or you can take the breakout. But we will be on the right side of the trade by the time it breaks this top trend line, because we'll be in a buyer's market at that point. That 50 moving average will be at the bottom of price at that point. So that's why I said be patient, let that form. I'm gonna go ahead and get this video out so you can have time to analyze it for yourself. So guys, be patient with this. I want to see your testimonies. Please share your testimonies with me in the comments later on after this trade is done. If it doesn't break the top and breaks through the bottom, you know what I mean, then obviously that's a continuation for a sale. All right, but the only way we're looking for a buy is if it breaks the top trend line here. So don't get that twisted. Be patient, don't jump the gun. All right, and let the market show its hand. All right, so hey, look, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and let's make this money, baby. Peace.